Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm outside of my Radio Shack. There's there's all the wires, antenna wires going inside to my Radio Shack. But what I'm in need of some information. I know most of you are a lot smarter than me. This is my loop antenna. Don't know if you can see it. And it's about 12 feet in the air. And I just put it up temporarily about 6 months ago. And the question is, would it help to raise that? Now, what I have, and I see if I can, I'm gonna move around here some. What I have is a 2-story house, and it's not above that second story, but that direction is west. And so, except for Asia, I'm not going to get much west. And of course, here is east, which, if I could back up here without falling, is Europe and Middle East. And so where'd the antenna go? Oh, it's up there. There, maybe you can see a little better. There it is. So it's clear in that direction, except maybe for the tree. And my question is, should I move this up? I do have a aluminum pole. Is an old TV antenna pole that's about 20 feet long that I could put up there and give it a little better mounting, plus get it up in the air. But is that going to make it worse or better? And the other thing is, I've had several people say that this small one, it's only like 3 feet in diameter, it's not too directional. So, and I've rotated it before, and I didn't really see much change. So I don't think it has a directional problem. But one person, or maybe more, has mentioned that the higher you get it in the air, the more directional it will be. So I don't want it to be directional because I would have to manually turn it. Now here's some other antennas. There's my 31-foot MFJ antenna. Goes way up there. And it was my best antenna before I got the MegaLoop. And then I have my neighbor's tree is going over in my yard. There I have a J-pole for 2 meters. Up there, I don't know if you can see it, is a disc cone. There's another disc cone. There's my satellite pair antennas. There's another disc cone. I've got a couple in the backyard. My G5RV, which has been up over 30 years, is with that disc cone up there, and then it comes down to a point down there, and then the other leg goes in the backyard. So that one's in a pretty good location, although the coax cable is like 30 years old. So it probably needs replacing. Now, I can no longer get on the roof. I'm not strong enough to be stable. So I have to get my handyman, which he lives over there where that red truck is. And I got him on the hook, shall we say, to help me with these antennas. So that's what I want to determine before I ask him to come over is, do I want to move that up another, 6 feet or so? Or will it make it worse? Or no change? That's what I'm looking for. Thanks for watching. I love your comments. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what to do. Bye-bye.